Would you recommend the course to anyone?
100%. Yeah, I highly recommend it.
That was without a doubt one of the most inspiring couple of day courses, just in terms of what it has to offer for regenerative agriculture and people that are interested in it.
Well, I feel really invigorated.
The main thing I've taken away is that it's much simpler than I imagined it would be, and that in 2 days I've learnt and have the practical knowledge to actually go and put it into practice literally tomorrow.
One of the main things for me is the weed tea, just learning how to, or the tea weed, weed tea, learning how to make that, because it's something that I'm gonna apply straight away with the fireweed on my property, and also the cow manure compost. Just fascinating.
I've learned a lot about biodynamics. I've learned a lot about the spiritual side, which I've really enjoyed.
When you see the results versus the way we've gone over the last 20 years, why wouldn't you give it a go?